Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify market trends with Google Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Trends website. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Enter a keyword or phrase relevant to the market trend you want to explore. Press the enter key or click the search icon to proceed. The page will display a graph showing the interest over time for your selected term. You can adjust the time range for your data using the drop-down menu above the graph. To the right of the graph, you can view related topics and queries. Scroll down to see the geographical distribution of interest. This section shows the regions where your keyword is most popular. You can also compare multiple keywords by clicking on the Compare button. Enter another term in the comparison search bar. The graph will update to show the trends for both terms side by side. Explore the Trending Searches section to find currently popular topics. This can provide insight into emerging trends in your market. If you want to dive deeper, click on a specific interest point on the graph. This will reveal more detailed data for that time period. You can also filter the data by category or type of search. This helps refine your results to align more closely with your research needs. Once you've gathered your data, take notes on key insights. These insights can be critical for understanding market dynamics. Feel free to save or share your findings for future reference. Utilize this tool regularly to stay updated on market movements. Now, you're equipped to effectively verify market trends using Google Trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.